Right, welcome back to Dale Kramer's Custom Cars and anything you can think of. We're a little busy today. Things done on the car. I got the dash in it. You see it too well now, I see. But anyway, I got that in. I got the floor all insulated, got the firewall all insulated, all that stuff. So yeah, we're getting there, you know. So little by little, we get somewhere. But yeah, this is just gonna be a quick short, and I insulated the whole firewall, but I skipped a couple holes, but figure I'll chop the holes. I'll cut the holes through as we work with stuff, you know. So as we go for it, we'll just work through it, you know. Yeah. Ah, I'm tired. Tired. I'm tired. I just wanted to give you guys a little update here. Let me see a little better this way, I guess. Could probably turn on the light, but we're gonna get down to 21 below here in Minnesota tonight. Central Minnesota. There's gonna be towns that are gonna be down to 35 below. I think where I'm at, it's about 21 below, I think they said. So I'm going to close down the shop. I'm going to go in and stay warm and call her a day out here, I guess. You know? I do have the light in here. I got it unplugged. So yeah. So she's getting to be, she's a view from the driver's seat. Pretty cool. Yeah. So anyway, please like and subscribe again. This is going to be a small little video, you know. I didn't video me working on insulating or putting the dash in. The dash has only got one bolt there and one bolt over here, and then you got to put in these 5, I believe. There's 5 of them up here, and that's it. So anyway, but yeah, so there it is. Oh, I'm so happy. It's starting to look like something, you know. Got the clutch Z-bar in the other day, so you can actually push the clutch in, it works. So the gas pedal's got new braided throttle cable. The brake pedal's got a new master cylinder, the new style, and smooth over 7/8 of an inch. That's all new. So yeah, so everything's new. So, but anyway, please like and subscribe. I guess I gotta set the security alarm, and then I gotta head her in. So, but please like and subscribe if you can, you know. So, please enjoy the show. Okay, love to all. Bye bye.